I have to tell you something. Please don't be mad at me. Last night when you were sleeping, I was really hungry and I ate all your candy. I'm sorry. Didn't you want to share with me? Andre. Hey, guess what? Guess what? I'm just kidding. You mad at me for that trick? Why? You never ever want to share with me?
I want the candy.
Are you mad at Jimmy Kimmel? Because he's the one who made me do that joke.
So wait, you saw him before?
No, I've never met him.
Then how did it make you do that joke?
It's a TV joke. Do you have any words for Jimmy Kimmel?
Who's Jimmy Kimmel?
He's a guy with a TV show. Stop picking your nose. Do you have any words to tell him?
But I don't want to laugh at it.
Look at me.
Hey, you made these spill out. You made this spill out on the open.
I didn't do it.
Then why did you say that you put it in the bag?
Jimmy Kimmel put him in the bag.
No, he did not. He didn't do that. It was you. I know it.
What did you say?
Don't delete that because I like the crime part.
Okay.
That was a sick joke.